So I think UPI is one of the best innovations that you will see. In fact, I went to China Union Pay, Tencent, and all these companies I have visited in China and everywhere, and the amazement that people are seeing in development of UPI is something which is unparalleled. A country like China, where China Union Pay is in 130 countries, and you see the number of credit cards and the amount of penetration that they have done is really fantastic. The simple thing like that red envelope, how they made it from something like a game to something like every in a year, Chinese New Year, there were 2 lakh cards being exchanged, and now it runs into crores and crores of red envelopes being exchanged. And like a gaming company, they innovated the whole thing. Even they were amazed at how the UPI has penetrated the entire Indian diaspora. But at the same time, making things easy also exposes to risk. Like for example, UPI, so far as the depository system is concerned, it does not accept UPI. It goes by the traditional bank account, because the dividend and the benefits of a depository holder, they will get credited into the bank account, and we cannot use UPI as a standard account for the purpose of accepting. Then when it comes to anti money laundering and things like that, these things, we require a very pakka bank account, IFSC code, MICR code, and bank account number, and all these things are necessary for the purpose of ensuring the safety of the system. So far as small payments are concerned, technology innovations are really good. But when it comes to doing hardcore transactions, for example, a share market trade, I think the amount of there are like API based solutions are available, is being made available by some brokers also. But I would say that the amount of security which is required in these plug and play kind of solutions, I think we are still not there. So lot of security layers will have to be introduced in order that we make at least the payment system, trading system, where there is money involved, there is in and out of money is involved. I think in such cases we require much more security than what it is there. So according to me, risk is associated with the security, with the fast developments which are happening. And I'm not really very sure that the entrepreneurs who are developing, these young boys and girls who are developing these softwares, are fully can appreciate what is the kind of risk that goes into the solution that they have provided.